Hello students, today we are starting with EVS 1 chapter 12 Food for All part 1. Agriculture and agricultural seasons. As we know, in India we have three seasons: the winter, monsoon and summer seasons. Similarly, there are two different seasons in agricultural term, and we are going to learn about them in more detail. We get food from plant. As we all know, we get different types of food and that comes from plant. And for this purpose, we need to sow grains in the field. Also, we need to plant fruits in the orchard. Orchard is a place where only fruit trees are grown. And about 60% of land of our country is used for agriculture. There are two main agricultural seasons in our country. The season from June to October is called Kharif season. The agricultural season from June to October is called Kharif season, and in this season the crops are mostly watered by rain. And the next season, that is from October to March, is the Rabi season, and in this season the rainwater that has soaked into the soil, the retreating monsoon and the dew are the sources of water for the crops. So the dew drops after the monsoon season, because of the cold weather, the dew drops which are formed, these are the sources of water for the crops. And in addition, some crops are also grown from March to June, and these crops are known as summer crops. In agricultural work, every farmer who sows grains, they always wish for a good harvest. The good harvest provides them with good income. But for good income, they need to see to that the land is fertile. They use good quality of seeds, fertilizers, and availability of water. These are the essential and important. These are the important for a good harvest. The everyday food which we get in our plate, it directly doesn't come from somewhere else. For this, there is a lot of hard work which our farmers take, and it is also necessary to carry out the task of tilling the land. The crop in the field must be also protected, and harvested crop must be also stored safely, and all these processes are very important. As the population of a country is increasing, and still the need of all the people are being met, and this has been possible because of the farmers and the modern and the improved methods of agriculture. So before learning in detail about the improved method, we'll first learn about the traditional agriculture. So in the traditional method, the plowing and tiling were done with the help of oxen. And how they used to water the plants was, they used to tie a huge leather bag which was driven with the help of oxen. This was used to draw the water from the well. Harvesting and threshing was done by the members of the family. So now in modern ways, we use different tractors, different machineries to do the different works. But in the olden days, in the traditional part, they used to do it with the help of animals and their family members. However, farmers now carry out these tasks with the help of machines. Here we come to an end of this part 1. In part 2, we'll learn more about improved methods of agriculture. I hope all have understood part 1.